Hello everyone. In our last video, we have seen how to fetch the data from a particular table. In this video, we'll see how to insert a data in a particular table. So this is my insert query. Right, insert into. We don't need this sys anymore because here we are providing in our connection details. Right. So into the students my table, and these are the columns I have, and these are the values. So using this query, so the benefits of constructing a query like this is you can pass this particular parameters dynamically in the runtime. Instead of you hard code these values, you can pass these values in the runtime. So now we'll use again the same, right, as car. Now instead of writing a query inside it, you know, I'll pass my query. I mean, this is my variable where my the query is holding. And now wherever I say percentage %s, I need to pass the values in this location dynamically. So maybe how we can do is, maybe here only let's create a new cell. So I call values equal to, we need to pass a tuple. So 2, and second is name, Vishwa, maybe 10th class, and the grade is A, right? So here I need to pass values. So obviously we cannot fetch all because here if you see, we need to commit. We are saying boss, we are good with these records. We don't have any issues. Please commit, which means please insert these records permanently, right? Sorry, the cursor object will not have, the connection will have. So because I'm saying please commit this connection. I mean, please commit this particular values which I'm inserting. Now, if we run this select, query again, so we have two records earlier. Now if we run, we obviously will have three records. Did you see? It is inserted. So I ran two times, right? That's why you can see two records here. We can also go here and run the query. Did you see? As I told you, I ran this command, this particular cell two times. That's why you can see two records got inserted here. Maybe now let's say three and run it. Did you see? This time only one time it is inserted because I just ran only once, right? Hope you enjoyed this video. In our next video, we'll see how to update a records. Till then, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.